Wow, we begin here at 5 with a stark warning from the nation's top infectious disease expert. Dr. Anthony Fauci says reopening too soon could lead to disastrous consequences. He and other health experts testified on Capitol Hill today, and CBS 2's Skyler Henry is there.
Hey, Maurice, Christine, good evening to you. Because of Dr. Anthony Fauci's stern warning about the potential for more deaths should states reopen, he says that the government needs to have necessary steps in place to be able to get people back to work safely. And that includes isolation, identification, and contact tracing. He and several other medical experts testified before a Senate panel today on the government's response to the coronavirus. Meanwhile, lawmakers are debating another stimulus bill that they say the money is focused on going to state and local governments.
And there are several checkpoints.
Dr. Anthony Fauci warned against reopening the country too soon as he and other top health officials appeared remotely before the Senate Health Committee.
States or cities or regions, in their attempt, understandable, to get back to some form of normality, disregard to a greater or lesser degree the checkpoints that we put in our guidelines. There is a real risk that you will trigger an outbreak that you may not be able to control.
Officials say they're working to help states get the capabilities for more testing and contact tracing, and the CDC director says more guidelines for reopening states that the White House reportedly suppressed will be published soon.
As we work through the guidances, a number of them go for interagency review and interagency input to make sure that these guidances are more broadly applicable for different parts of our society.
Dr. Fauci said a vaccine could be ready by late fall or early winter.
We have many candidates and hope to have multiple winners.
But the FDA commissioner, Dr. Stephen Hahn, could not guarantee an eventual vaccine would be available at no charge for all citizens.
Sir, the payment of vaccines is not a responsibility of FDA, but I'm glad to take this back to the task force.
House Democrats unveiled their new proposal for another massive coronavirus stimulus package. They're calling it the HEROES Act.
The measure includes funding to state and local governments, hazard pay for frontline healthcare workers, and additional direct payments for many Americans.
This is an historic challenge and therefore momentous opportunity for us to meet the needs of the American people.
The House is scheduled to return to Washington Friday to debate and vote on the bill.
Now, some Republican senators have already said that this House rescue bill is, quote, dead on arrival for two reasons. One, they say it's the price tag, and two, they say that there are provisions in this bill that aren't related to the coronavirus crisis at all. We're here on Capitol Hill. I'm Skyler Henry, CBS 2 News.